Updating your email address on Crunchyroll is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Crunchyroll website and log into your account using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Edit email address. In the Account Settings section, look for the email field. Click on the Edit button next to it to begin changing your email address. Step 4. Enter new email. Type in your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, scroll down and click the Save button to update your account. You may need to verify the new email address through a confirmation email sent to it. Once you have completed these steps, your email address on Crunchyroll will be updated. Remember to check your new email for any verification messages to finalize the process.